Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo. This one is new release from DJI. In this pack we got extension rod, 3 pieces battery and 1 battery case. Here is some features indicated in the box, like 1.3-inch CMOS, 10-bit, deep freeze resistance and long lasting battery, 4K videos, quick release and native vertical videos, 360-degree horizon is steady, waterproof up to 18 meters. That is good, very good feature. Dual touch screen, and here is some pictures what will get inside this box. You can see here is one code for DJI app. Let's open this one. Let's open this one. Let's open. In the box there is 2 chamber, one is accessories and one is Osmo Action 4. Let's open this accessory box first, and we also get one rod. You can see the rod. Extendable rod. Now let's open the accessory box. Silica gel, we got some brochure and DJI stickers. Now Osmo Action 4. This box is included camera, also get one Osmo backpack strap mount. Let's open parallelly and check all together. So as accessories, we got this camera box. I mean, this one is included battery box for the camera. USB-C. You can see the light is turned on. Here is the batteries. And this one is USB to C to USB-C cable. And we also got this device to connect the camera with the extension rod or other accessories. And this one is lens cover. And this one is to connect the camera with your backpack. You have to buy this one extra. This one is cost around 20 bucks. Now check the camera. Actually, this one also accessories for the camera. Is the case for camera, and we also got some accessories. Let's check the accessories first. This one is camera holder for helmet. There is some connecting rod like this. Got another connector for camera like this one, but this one is little bit different. You can see this one is little bit bigger, this one is shorter. Now here comes the main device, the camera. You can see how beautiful it looks. Let's remove this one. This one is for the battery. Let's connect with battery. And this side is for charging or connecting to other devices. You can also remove this one. Now you can connect your audio device with this one. Let's power this one on. You can see it's turning on. Now we have to set up. I am selecting language English. Now you can see this barcode. With this barcode you have to set up this device with DJI camera apps, and you can do it next. And I will show you how to set this one in my next video. Let's, I forgot to say, where you connect your SD card here. You can see you can connect your micro SD here, and don't forget to select B30 micro SD, otherwise it will not support, because this camera record very high quality 4K. And I'll show little things like how this magnetic connector connect. You see, it's connected and it's very strong. Thank you for watching my unboxing video, and I will try to create another video to set how to set this device. So please subscribe and stay connected. Thank you.